Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create an account in Boo dating application. Boo is one of the most popular apps for meeting people who truly match your personality, whether for friendship or dating. So let's get your account set up in just a few minutes. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and download this application on your smartphone and launch it open. From the welcome screen of Boo, click on either continue with Apple, Google, or with email option. You can sign in using any one of these options. I'm just going to tap on continue with email. On the next page, if you've selected email, you'll need to type in a valid email address for yourself. After typing down an email, click on confirm. A login link will be sent to your email address that you just provided. Open up your email inbox and tap on the link to verify. You will be able to find an email from Boo. Click on it and then click on sign in to Boo from the link provided. Soon after you do that, on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your name. Type down your name in the text box and click continue. Select your gender on the next page. Enter your birthday information by choosing from the toggle menu and click on continue at the bottom. Confirm your age and then allow enabling your location so that you can get better matches nearby you. Allow all the necessary permissions such as notifications so that you never miss a match or a message. Answer some of the questions. Mention your interest to your profile to connect with like-minded individuals. You can also take a quiz to test your personality. And after answering all of the questions, you will be able to create your Boo account and get ready to go. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.